D3086 special finish washered door butt hinges. This is a Croft product. Croft makes some exceptionally high quality pieces. All Croft products are British made. They can produce this item in over 20 different finishes, so please check our website out to see what we have available. This particular shade is oil rubbed bronze. All Croft products send fixtures that match the same finish as the product. As you can see, it beautifully blends. The length of this product is 102mm. The width of this product is 67mm. And the protrusion of this product is 2.2mm. They incorporate washer joints to give it a very smooth quality action. This is the largest size of this type of hinge and is ideal for external and thicker 44mm internal doors. It is very traditional looking. It is very strong and sturdy. However, these qualities do not compromise the elegant look of this hinge.